Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Chevy Silverado, this generation here from year 2014 to year 2019. If you need to find, guys, where the engine starter fuse is located, you have to check up to two of them. One is extremely hidden. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find them, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, engine lights, fuses, all that stuff, guys. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep providing these videos absolutely free. Now, guys, we have more than 14,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So please check them out, and they can save you quite a bit of money now or in the future. So for the engine starter, which fuses we need to check, we will demonstrate on this generation Chevy Silverado right here. Now, guys, 9 out of 10 people do not know how many hidden fuse boxes are in that generation Chevy Silverado. We recommend to check out the video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location on Chevy Silverado. Today we'll work in two different fuse boxes. Make sure to stay until the end. First we need to open the hood, and once you open the hood, guys, here on the driver's side you see you have a fuse box under that cover. Go ahead and remove it, and underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one for year 2014 through 16 and a layout like that for 2017 through 19. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the JK's fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. Now, guys, quick thing: if you need to buy fuses, relays, parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, guys, we're going to put the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out, that way you do not waste money and time. So, which fuse we need to check for the engine starter? Please make sure to stay until the end. We want to give you one good advice, that way you do not end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere like it happened to us. Now, two fuses will need to be checked for 2014 through 16. If you come right here on the very lower side, that fuse right here, that's fuse number 11, excuse me, that's the one that you need to check. And here, guys, 2017 through 19 will be exactly the same location under that relay, fuse number 11. Then you need to open your hood again, guys, and here you see where your car battery is. If we zoom in, you see all the wires going here on top of the car battery. Practically you have, guys, okay, hidden fuse box. And that fuse box, okay, let me show you what it looks like. That's a positive battery terminal. You have integrated 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 fuses, guys. And these fuses, those are the ones that you will, guys, need to check. One of those, okay, will be a main starter fuse as well. You need to check them because those are hidden and most people never check those there. Now, guys, you have all kind of different fuses and relays in that Chevy Silverado. You have different fuses, relays that could be really hard to find, especially if you're in the middle of nowhere. And one time we needed a replacement one, we couldn't get one, we were stuck in the middle of nowhere because of that. So what we do now, we always get some spare fuses, relays, keep them in the glove box for a peace of mind, guys. That way you do not get stuck in the middle of nowhere like it happened to us, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.